Hello, in this video I will show you how to bypass parental controls on ROG Phone 9. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and go to manage your Google account. Now you have to go to data and privacy and then you have to scroll down and click on delete your Google account. And here you have to enter your password. And now you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes. Then click delete account. And now your account should be removed. So now you can open Google Play Store and click sign in. And here you have to enter your email address. Then click next, and as you can see my account is now deleted, so now I have to click next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. Then click I agree. And now click accept. And click get started. Now click use password. And here you have to enter your password. And as you can see, my account is now recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.